So guys, today I'm going to show you guys how to sign up cool, and it needs Trump sign. So I was going to do the back wheel, but guys, I want to show you how to do this wheel. So start off, I'm going to get my carpet cleaner or window cleaner. Use whatever you need to. See, carpet cleaner. And you're going to take it when you get this and spray it all over the wheel like crazy. You can use window cleaner to clean the windows stuff if you want. Use whatever you want. So starting off, then you'll go and wipe off the cleaners and whatever you use. You can use spray wax, just about anything. But just wipe off. You just can wipe it off like so. I'll show you how this glue will work. Not gonna work the best because this glue still needs polished up. But it'll have a decent sword. Me and Lindsay cleaned out the glue the other day at Sally's School, and we done it. First video I've done here at this place. This is a shop. The first video I've done here, the other day I cleaned Sally's car, and you wouldn't believe how dirty the wheels were. Hey, these wheels will look a lot better when you're done with it. They're dirty. The books are rusted because this closed in here for a while. So now we're done with the wheels. Let's get the trim sign. So guys, this is the trim sign we're using. It is made by the same people as that carpet cleaner. You spray it wherever it'll make your tire shine. But while we wait for the tires got to be dry, so while we wait, I'm going to show you one of my new baits that's going to the pond. So many who's in there. Say hi to her. This is the new bait. MV. This is, I haven't named it yet, but I just got it done. You can see it's got letters on it. 2 of them. The ginger moles and the one is big and really big one, but that's the really small one. But I'm pretty sure it's time to spray now on the tires now. So you're going to take your trim sign and you're going to go. Now it's on there. You're going to let it set for a minute, then you're just going to start wiping all over we sprayed. Be aware it's very strong. I'll show you how to do this on front bumpers too, like bumpers. It's why it's called trim sign. You can use it on tires or trim. Yep, anything you want to make shiny. I don't think there's no trim on this foot, so I'm gonna kind of show you on this little key right here. But yeah, somewhere in the pants I got to hang up. So guys, I'm gonna show you again because I didn't put enough on there. Oh, so I'm gonna kind of show you what it'll do on the back of this Kia Sorento. I guess I'm gonna have to get this spray fan. I'm not walking all the way over here because I know there's some right here. There it is. Going crazy. So I'm gonna do this whole back right here. Head white on. Yeah. And we'll do the head white too. Set down all the stuff and just wipe it all off. Oh, but I better be careful because that's got a cloud head back so white. This clue is not on. There's this clue on.
Which one?
This one that I'm working on.
No.
What's wrong with that?
Measuring stick, like this car here.
Oh, is that why you need a metal chisel? Did you? Huh?
Oh, I need a what?
A chisel for murder?
Yeah.
Have you got it?
Yeah.
Have you worked on it since? Okay. So let's wait a minute. 2 minutes later, just started on this. Time was spraying it like crazy. Try that too. Spray this windshield wiper too, so I better move that fan. Okay, I'll come back in a minute. Guys, you can see now it's black again and it's all shiny. Even on the core, you can see it'll make your Kia thing even shiny. A windshield wiper, basically everything you can think of it'll make shiny. I'll go in one of these cores and show you what it'll do to the inside of one. Just go in one. So we're back to this core again. So let's see if I can get this to shine. This is the before, and then I'll show you what the dash and everything looks like in its done. Let's work on the back of this core, guys. So I'll wash my phone line.
No, that's carpet spray. One right there on the end of that motor sitting right there.
Good.
No, that's trim shine. You want carpet cleaner?
Oh, I mean trim shine. Seeing what it does to paint.
Don't spray it all over that bud. I have to try to buff that car and it won't buff with that. Don't spray it all over the paint.
Why?
Because you gotta, if you're gonna wipe it all off, you can spray it.
Back into this, I just
Make everything all
don't understand, guys. I just don't understand why it's Not doing that good of a job on this. But it did make it shine like it's supposed to shine. But not a pretty good job in the dash, but I just don't know about it. I don't know what to say because I don't know. I don't know. Just value, I don't know. It stands for its value, but I just don't know. I do not have a tripod, so I'm going to try to pull off the stuff on this wheel. There's my other function. There we go, guys. I got it now.
I just ran over a white boat out there with my truck. I didn't see it. I bet you that's Quarter's boat. Did you make that?
He's working on it.
Guys, it's been about an hour since I had done the Trump sign, and it looks black. The wheels look good. It really done a good job inside this pulley here. I'm putting in plus of how good it done. Most of them didn't do that good, as good as that did, but it done a very good job. So we'll see if we can do that. The wind is cool this afternoon. Maybe, just maybe we'll get it. I have no clue, guys, what it's gonna do. We'll see. There's a pure life water. I reviewed that one point. It's cool. Can't believe I reviewed that. It's good now. This is a Kia Sportage. The reason it's called Kia Sportage because you sport in it. That's why. Pretty nice. You had the windows down. Yeah. Just hope you guys are enjoying this video. It's the first one I've done up here. Oh boy, guys. Sucks. But this is that Kia Sorento. And yes, the window's down in this one. It just place has the window down. As you can see in here, It's nice. You can see it's got a lady on it. But all I know is this thing has got to get the motor chiseled out. And yeah, we'll probably have to build on this thing. At least anchor line on it. It just close a pile of junk. Just don't let the ropes get inside the seat wheel. It is not that nice of a car. Hi. What? Window would have been shut. No. But yeah. So guys, it's a little later. I just got back from the garage and I'm back at the Hempstead. We're back at Dr. Cool Hempstead. It's time to put this boat in. Look through the wheels and everything. Look at it doing the spot. Tommy Conway is what the name is of this boat. See? So with me on my transport. I bought all the whites on the boats. Every one of the whites are on the boats except the MV, the MV, the MV, the MV, I don't remember the name. What was that? MV Millie Lucy Lane. Let's see if it floats it. There she is. She's in the water. All the whites are on that boat. The green white is on that boat right there. That's the MV Weebow. It's a new boat. Over there is that boat. There's another new boat over there I worked on. It's MV Drency, but it does not float good, so I'm gonna have to take it back out. It's just gonna set. But yeah. What is this one? Do you wear it?
It's like a harvest apron.
So let me tell everyone how it works.
You harvest whatever you want. You stick it in the pouch. Then when you're done, you just take it and unhook it.
Oh,
and it dumps out wherever you want it.
Oh, that's nice. So you can put straw or something in there and just dump out.
Yep.
Or eggs. Especially not eggs.
You might not want to do eggs
No.
because they might break.
But or if you wanted to put a boat in there and take it somewhere one day,
Yeah.
you want to like them little boats I have,
Mhm.
you could really just put this, and whenever you're ready to put it in the water, just down it goes.
Yep.
Cool. But guys, I got this trailer now for Sally's boat right there. Pretty cool. But I'm not putting MV this one Elizabeth in. It's got some bow. It's got some very bad troubles with the props. It does not have new props on it. They got angle grinded off. You can see Gentry has got to be taken back out of the water. It's just setting to sinking. You guys can see she's got a pretty nice trailer for the boat. See, all the dry docks are empty and stuff because they're all in the water. Here's the two rescue boats. They didn't float, so you got to drive when you're at if you're gonna drive this, you can't just sit there. You got to drive. Gotta see what's the sea was in the water right now. It's not my fault that she decided to have those massive troubles with the wheels. So it was up to her, and that's why. As she's not in the water, she made the decision to break the wheels off of it. So now it's got to get welded on like 10 times because this drunk Miss Warner Elizabeth decided to do what it did. It's called it made the decision for us. We're on the water, so done made a bad decision and done that. Look at it. Used to be MV Weebow, but it is no longer. It is now MV Warner Elizabeth. Every single white is on the boat. The whites also wishes they went in the water. Nope, they ain't. We'll come back and look at it. This bit might never ever touch the water again. It has, again, it's got very bad water problems. So wondering what that white is under there? That is actually the welder. He's actually welding on the bit right now. It's set to. But you guys are probably asking, what in the heck is that black thing? That's actually the cupboard covers up the stack. So no, we'll let you know anything gets in there. New set of stuff. You can see it's red now. The water's so hot. Day later. So guys, you can see it's the next day. There's no longer any welder under there because he's done. You guys want to see where he welded? That's what he welded right there in the back of there. Got it welded, but whites are on still. And one was left. This is the spotlights. Cow. So guys, you can see it's a set now. It's okay. Why? As you can see, look at this boat. It's cooling it. Out of the water and the dry dock. Got it, guys. Green and blue white. Everywhere you look, there's white. But the only reason that there's white on is because the generator's on. Me open this door so you can hear. That's why. So let me turn the generator off and we'll see what it will look like when I'm done. That's what me open this door now. The door is open and you didn't hear the generator. Now the lights off. But when we open the door, turn the generator back on, then I'm just going to turn on the navigation. You guys can see the white navigation light is on now. So let me open the door so you can hear. The generator's on. I can currently not walk through the garden today because this is not that type of video. I would have had 2 other videos in the post, but I just didn't think they're that good of videos, so I'm not going to post them. They were big time walking through the garden, but I'm not posting them because it's not interesting. This video is a pretty interesting video, so I'm publish it. But let's walk out to the pond. And my battery is about dead and stuff, so I'm just going to kind of slow this video down by the pond walking around the stuff because I don't have time to walk through the garden and stuff today. I would, but I've got a battery. It's not an option. It really isn't, guys. Alright guys, here's the pond. So, let's start time to wrap this video up. So what are you doing, MJ? What were you doing?
Picking beans.
This should be an upcoming video of that, huh?
Maybe.
Probably. So you guys can see. Yeah. So you guys can see. There will be an upcoming video in a couple of days. A bit of these beans from the trolls is out there, huh, MJ?
Yeah.
But I'm gonna start off the generally doing this boat. Keep on welding for today. You'll say no, there's no more riders in the boat. They already got welded off. I'm going to but say white went off. There she is. But you can see the outdoor in that boat. But anyway, thanks for watching the Outdoors Cool Hempstead. Say bye, Winter Cat. Bye! Thanks for watching the Outdoors Cool Hempstead. If you have not subscribed yet, subscribe right now. Thanks for watching. I'll see you next time. This has actually been brought to you by Live in North Dakota. But anyway, have a good, drop a comment in the comments. Letting me know how you like this video. Also letting me know things in your area. I hope I taught you some lessons about that sleep and stuff. But have a great rest of your day, great rest of your week. The Outdoors Cool Hempstead out. Da, da, da. This is brought to you by Lindsay, Sally, Cooper, White Dog, the Moo family, Moo, Cinderblock Moo, and also Dustpan Moo. Also, this has also been brought to you by the Outdoors Cool Hempstead, the Apple iPhone Corporation, and also the mobile app, the movie app for Wedding Lindsay, do this upcoming video, and also the Stogie family, Captain Stogie White. The Cow family, Cowboy Girl, Cow, White Dog Cow, and also the Calico family. All the other neighbor cats, Mr. Mixer, Mrs. Baking Tree, as they're in the building right now, and also Mr. Mixer and Mr. Food Processor. But have a great rest of your day, a great rest of your week. The Outdoors Cool Hempstead. Hope to see you next time with more golden tips and more. Have a great rest of your day, a great rest of your week. Drop comments, letting me know things in your area. Have a great rest of your day, a great rest of your week. The Outdoors Cool Hempstead out. Da, da, da.
This has been a River and Rails with Carter production.